In this video, we'll explore more than 50 basic English words from E. These are simple, familiar words, but the key is learning their natural collocations. Eagle, a large bird that flies high and has strong claws. The eagle is flying over the mountains. Ear, the part of the body we use to hear. She whispered the secret into my ear. The word ear appears in many related words. Earphone, a small speaker worn in the ear to listen to music or calls. She put on her earphones to listen to her favorite song. Earring, a piece of jewelry worn on the earlobe. She bought a beautiful pair of gold earrings. Earlobe, the soft lower part of the ear. She wears small earrings in her earlobes. Earache, pain in the ear, often from an infection. He stayed home because he had a bad earache. Earwax, the yellow substance that forms in the ear to protect it. Too much earwax can block your hearing. Eardrum, a thin part inside the ear that helps with hearing. A loud explosion can damage your eardrum. ENT doctor, a doctor who treats problems of the ear, nose, and throat. I went to an ENT doctor because I had a bad ear infection. Otolaryngologist, a medical specialist who treats ear, nose, and throat conditions. My family doctor referred me to an otolaryngologist for my chronic sinus problems. Earth, the planet where we live. The Earth moves around the sun. Earth, the brown material where plants grow. The children are playing with the earth in the garden. Soil is used for plants. Fertile soil, plant flowers in the soil. Ground is the surface you walk on, sit on the ground, fall to the ground. And dirt usually means something not clean or loose earth, a dirt road. East, the direction where the sun rises. Japan is in the east of Asia. Cardinal points in English. North, the North Pole, north wind, go north. South, south of Spain, south wind, go south. East, east coast, sunrise in the east, go east. West, wild west, west coast, go west. Eat, to put food in your mouth and chew it. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Echo, a sound that repeats when it bounces off a surface. We shouted in the cave and heard an echo. Edge, the outside or end part of something. Be careful near the edge of the table. Be careful with the knife. Its edge is very sharp. Eel, a long, slippery fish that looks like a snake. An eel is swimming in the river. Egg, an oval-shaped food that comes from chickens. I had an egg for breakfast. Eggplant, a purple vegetable. She made a delicious eggplant dish. 8, the number after 7. She has 8 apples in her basket. Elbow, the part of the arm that bends. He hurt his elbow when he fell. Elephant, a big animal with a trunk and large ears. The elephant is drinking water. Elevator, a box that moves up and down in a building. In American English, elevator is the standard term for a device that moves people or goods between floors in a building. In British English, the same device is called a lift. Let's take the elevator to the 5th floor. 11, the number after 10. My little brother is 11 years old. Elf, a small creature with pointy ears and magical stories. Santa's elves make toys for Christmas. Empty, with nothing inside. The bottle is empty. Engine, the part of a car or machine that makes it work. The car engine is very powerful. Enjoy, to feel happy doing something. I enjoy reading books. Envelope, a folded paper used to put letters inside. I put the letter inside an envelope. Exit, the place where you leave a building or room. The exit is on the right side of the building. Eraser, something used to remove pencil marks. I need an eraser to fix my mistake. Eye, the part of the body we used to see. She has blue eyes. The word eye is part of many related words, such as 1. Eyelid, the skin that covers your eye when you blink or sleep. He closed her eyelids and fell asleep. 2. Eyelash, the small hairs around your eye. She has long eyelashes. 3. Eyebrow, the line of hair above your eye. He raised his eyebrow in surprise. 4. Eyeglasses, glasses that help people see better. He wears eyeglasses to read. 5. Eyesight, the ability to see. His eyesight is getting worse with age. Eye specialist in English, ophthalmologist, a medical doctor who treats eye diseases and performs eye surgery. Optometrist, a professional who checks your vision and prescribes glasses or contact lenses. Optician, a professional who sells and fits glasses. Ophthalmologist. Optometrist. Optician. Now you don't just know these words, you know how to use them naturally. Keep practicing the collocations, and your English will start to sound more fluent and confident. See you in the next letter.